Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best LED strip lights waterproof outdoor, HitLights outdoor LED strip lights, model 3000K IP67. Whether you're upgrading your patio, lighting up your garden, or adding cozy ambient lighting under your balcony, this high-density strip light is a game-changer for any outdoor lighting project. This LED strip comes in a 16.4-foot reel and is packed with an impressive 600 LEDs. That means you're getting about 300 lumens per foot, delivering bright yet soft warm white light at 3000K color temperature. It's perfect for creating that inviting and relaxed atmosphere, whether you're hosting evening gatherings or just enjoying a quiet night outside. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this strip features an IP67 waterproof rating. That makes it highly resistant to water and dust, and safe for installation in places exposed to rain, humidity, or even snowfall. From roofs and porches to staircases and garden edges, these lights are built to endure the elements while maintaining excellent performance. What makes this product really stand out is its attention to detail in design and usability. The strip is backed with a strong 3M adhesive, so installation is quick and tool-free. No need for soldering or professional electrical knowledge. It also includes mounting clips, clean wipes, and a user manual. Everything you need to get started out of the box. For those wanting more control, this LED strip is dimmable. Just pair it with a compatible dimmable driver or power supply, which you'll need to purchase separately. Once hooked up, you can adjust the brightness to suit your mood or application, from ambient under cabinet lighting to functional pathway lighting. On the technical side, the strip runs on 12 volts DC and draws a maximum of 43 watts. It's OL listed for safety and quality assurance, and the CRI, or Color Rendering Index, is rated above 90. That means objects lit by this strip will look natural and vibrant, not washed out or overly yellowed. And here's an important note. If you're planning to cut the strip, keep in mind that doing so will break the waterproof seal. Unless you're confident about resealing the silicone properly, it's recommended to use the strip as is to maintain its full outdoor protection. Lastly, peace of mind is guaranteed with a 6-year warranty from HitLights, and they offer US-based customer support for any questions you might have during setup or use. So, if you're looking for professional-grade outdoor lighting that combines reliability, brightness, and ease of use, the HitLights outdoor waterproof LED strip light at 3000K is a top contender. It brings together quality construction, smart design, and brilliant lighting, all in one affordable package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more honest and detailed product breakdowns. We'll see you in the next review.